Welcome to MES e-learning channel. Today we are going to speak about recruitment and selection. Now there is always the students have a little confusion regarding what is recruitment, what is selection. So let us see what is the clarity between the two. Now when we say recruitment, recruitment is something wherein the company tends to inform the interested candidates about the vacancy available with them. It is the process wherein the company, the HR department only tends to study the profile, job profile which will be required in a particular department which needs to be filled. So that is called as recruitment. The informing the interested candidates about the job available is recruitment. Selection, coming to selection is something wherein we are filling the place which is vacant. So right candidate to be placed at the right job is called as selection. So when we filter out the candidates and we take the best candidate suitable for that profile, that is a selection. Let us see in detail. Now there is always a difference between recruitment and selection. Now when I say recruitment, here as we have already said that recruitment will be coming up wherein the first thing that they will do in the recruitment is, for example, if it is a marketing manager post, here when the company informs the HR department that the marketing manager post is available, now here the HR department will first study the profile of the marketing manager as the qualification, the qualities required and the experience that the person should have, and where the job is located, whether it is located at a particular place, say for example Mumbai, or this particular job profile is something which can be transferred. So a candidate should be willing to move from one city to another. So that is to be clearly mentioned. Or whether it is a freshers job, freshers can also apply, or it is something wherein only minimum 2 to 3 years experience is required. So all that is into job analysis, job description. So that will be the work of the recruitment to HR department to see this and then place this particular advertisement of the vacancy in various modes. Now what can be the various modes here? It can be through newspapers, like for example Times of India, it has a recruitment page on Wednesdays which comes. It can be on the Saturdays, it can be into Indian Express, which I think it is on Thursday. Then it can be on some websites, job search websites, some Naukri.com, the Yahoo.com, Rediff.com, or it can be on some portals like LinkedIn, that they will be trying to post the jobs so that the interested candidates for the job looking for a particular profile will be able to be informed about the vacancy and they can apply for the same. So this will be only the work of the recruitment. After this comes the selection. Now in the selection it is that the candidates, once they get the information about what the job is all about, profile is all about which is vacant, they need to apply for it. They need to come up and attend for various rounds of interviews which we'll be seeing in the further topics, and then once they clear all the rounds which are been there, if they are deserving candidate, then they will be selected for the job. So that will be the selection, that will be called as a selection thing. The process of the same we will be seeing in the further topics. Then comes the timing. Now the timing wherein it requires a lot of time when we speak about selection, because selection will take round wherein there will be several rounds. Now after COVID or during the COVID, it has become like the candidate first is screened online by say Skype or video calls and so on, and if they feel that the person is suitable, then there is a one-to-one interview that takes place in the particular in the company premises, or sometimes they are being arranged in some restaurant. If it is the person who is taking the interview is coming from some other city or country, then they arrange somewhere in a common place. So all that will take time, the process will take time. So the timing required will be a little more compared to the recruitment part. Okay. And then the next one will be the purpose. That is, here the purpose here is why these are taken, because we want that there should be a right candidate that should be selected, because otherwise what happens is, if I just take anybody for the job because I want to fill the vacancy, it would be a faulty placement. And when it is a faulty placement, it will happen that the candidate, it will affect the company productivity, it will affect the expenses would be more, because once we try to recruit people, also the expenses are there. We need to train them, we need to bring them to a particular way of working system has to be done for them, and then they try to continue. So in order to avoid the expenses, in order to avoid the time wastages, here we need to see that a proper selection needs to be done. Then comes with the importance. Now why is the importance of recruitment selection done over here, is because here it is a talent pool, it is a talent pool from which we are searching. So we need to search the candidates from the pool of talent. Say for example, if it is, there will be only one vacancy, but there will be hundreds of people who have applied for it. It doesn't mean I will try to recruit all the 100 people here, but I will take the best of the ones. So here it is a talent pool from which I need to select the person. Similarly, here it will be reducing the turnover. Now why it is reducing the turnover? Because here when I take a candidate who is properly interested into a particular job, and the person is equivalent, the person is talent, professional in that field, here the person will like the job, will love to come to the job. So there will be less of absenteeism, there will be less of a lack of motivation to work, which will reduce the turnover of the people. So here we will be able to make the employees as the asset of the company. We will be able to retain the employees of the company. So here that becomes one of the importance of recruitment, because if a person just comes and randomly gives the CV and I say come to job from the next day, I am not able to evaluate the person. So here there would be a loss. So here a proper procedure needs to be followed before we select a person for the job. Then the third one over here, it is also that there are certain goals of the company which we needs to incorporate, we needs to fulfill. So here are we going to fulfill those goals? Are we going to trying to take them into account? That needs to be taken care of. And we have to see that we also have to keep the reputation of the organization. So here, because the quality matters, the quality matters, how the employees are giving their work, the productivity, the quality, that will maintain the goodwill of the company. So here these are some of the things which are important to recruitment. Then comes the sources of recruitment. Now there are various sources of recruitment, we are just taking few of them. One is job boards. As we have already discussed that job boards, like we can place the vacancy on the portal like LinkedIn professional sites, so that nowadays people are more on the social media platforms, so it becomes easier for them to search for the jobs. Even a HR person, they will put a keyword. Say for example, if I want someone for AI, I'll just search, I'll just put a keyword on it as AI, and I will get a list of people who are working on AI or working on a particular designation that I am looking for, and I can approach them, I can mail them about the vacancy. So if they are interested, they can come and apply for the same. So that is one easier way, so that here what happens is I can also cross check their profile, I can also see the networking, I can also see whom all are been in contact with that particular person, so that if I tend to know many of them, I can also do a reference check, I can also try to find out about that particular person over there. So that is one of the things. Secondly, here it is also the employee relations referrals, wherein in the employee referrals here the company tends to put it on the notice board of the company itself, that so and so placement is there, so and so vacancy is there. So what we can do is that as an employee I can give a reference to my friend who is looking for a job and this particular vacancy is suitable for him or her, or I can try to give the same for my relative, for my family members and so on. And it also happens that I'm only looking for a change. I may be into a marketing department, but I'm more interested into creativity and I want to shift to creativity. So once the particular vacancy comes, I can request the company to shift me to the creative department from the marketing department. So that also is possible in the case of employee referrals. Okay, then the next comes is campus. Campus, as we all know, that universities and the colleges, they have a tie-up with many of the company. Placement cell is there in every company, every college which is there. So here what they can do is they can have a reference check. They can try to see that the campus recruitment takes place. They can go to visit the campus. There are job fairs nowadays that are happening in all the different colleges. People tend to, all the students of that particular campus, they tend to come and apply. There are various companies coming together at one day and so on. They are trying to interview people, take them for some internships many a times, wherein they tend to see how they are performing and then later on place them for a job. Some take them and directly place them for a job and so on. So campus recruitment is one which is very important, because nowadays admissions also take place. This is one of the questions where student ask many a times, that is there a campus placement? If there is, then I am willing to join for the same. So campus placements are the ones, and there is also the executive search firms which are there. There are many firms which are there. They are there wherein you can register with them, and you can accordingly they'll search a particular profile for you, and they will try to contact you for the same, arrange for the interview for you and so on. So that is one. Even I've not added here, but apart from this I could say that there are government portals also, government offices also, wherein they have a particular job recruitment place wherein you can go and apply over there, and they also tend to be in contact with the person and try to give them the information about the vacancy which is available, if any, in a particular company. Okay, so these are some of the sources of recruitment. Okay, I hope we are clear with this. So here in this particular recruitment selection, what we did is we just saw as to what is recruitment, what is selection, and we saw that how the importance of recruitment is there. That is, we always say recruitment is like, we just have to go and give the CV and our work is done. No, the company has to go through the following steps and then only recruit a right person for the right job. And we have seen that what are the different sources through which we can recruit people, and here we will be able to further, after this we will see about selection process. Okay, so thank you so much.